Hi, welcome to C-TekGh. Today we're outside because ECG decided to take our lights. And as funny as it may be, today we'll be talking about a power bank. We'll be unboxing the REMAX 30,000 mAh power bank. It has fast charging and all that kind of stuff. Because last time when Gideon was talking about the factors to consider before you buy a new phone, he stated that one thing you should consider is your battery. But then not everyone has the money to get a phone with a bigger battery, or not everyone uses Android. Some people use iPhones, so they have to carry chargers around and do some stuff. So today we're unboxing this. So without wasting much time, let's actually get into the video. Well, so this is the box. It's a 30,000 mAh, which is actually beefy. This can actually charge my power bank, the power bank that I use all the time, 3 times, which is actually good. Now imagine if you're using an iPhone 12, you can use this to charge your iPhone like 10 times or 30 times. I don't know how much, but I can say my phone is like 5,000 mAh. You can actually use it to charge my phone about 6 times. So that's great. So yeah, on the box, it has a lot of writing on it. Up front, they've written like huge, big up here. It's 30,000 mAh. Some things in China. This is large capacity, high speed charging, power bank, fast charging, and then it supports up to 22.5 watts charging. And then you can get all the ports that you need or want on a normal power bank. So it has the 2 USBs, it has the iPhone charger, that is the lightning port, it has the type C, it has a micro USB, and it has multiple, so the things on it, the specs, it has multiple protections, it has a high capacity, it supports fast charging, and then illumination. So here it has lights, so that's cool. And then you can see the picture on the box, and then on the side it's just the same gibberish that they've written on the front. Most of this is in Chinese, so there you have it. And then at the back they have more diagrams and then more spreadsheets and then multiple languages and stuff. Enough talking about the box and everything. Now let's get into the box, like what she said. Okay, I'm finally in. Oh, I forgot to mention it has a 6 months warranty. So from the box you have this. From the box, it looks beefy and big. This looks like something I would want to kill a bird with. It looks premium. I think this might be a screen. I really wish it would have supported like wireless charging, like you just put a phone here and then it wirelessly charges. But here again, I'm over twist. It has something here. I don't know what this is for though. But yeah, so there's a power button here you can turn on, and then it has, straight out the bat, it has 85% of power. That's actually really cool. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but yeah, 25%. And then it has a USB type C, it has the 2 USBs, you can charge. So technically you can charge 3 phones at the same time with this. So it has the USB ports. I think one has just one like bolt power on it, that's like the normal charging, and I think the one that has the 2 bolts on it supports the fast charging, and then it has a type C you can use for your charging, and then so probably ways you can charge this thing. And then it has the cables here, so you don't have to carry a cable around, which is something I actually like about this. You don't have to carry the cable around, just what phone do you use, and then you put it in. And so I'm seeing this, maybe you can use it to charge something that is not a power bank, which is cool, I guess. So like, let's say wait, I can actually use it to charge my power bank or something of that sort. So yeah, it has a USB type C here. Let me just plug it into my phone. Yeah, there you go, it's charging it, which is actually cool. I would love to see how long it will take to charge my phone, but then I think the cables that this phone comes, or this charger comes with, or this bank comes with doesn't really support the fast charge, because it's just charging my phone regularly, not the rapid charge. We don't have a USB cable here to test out the fast charging. I will update you in the comment, the description or something, when I do test it out and it works. So generally, I like the feel and then how solid the build is and all that. I've still not been able to turn on the lights, so there is that. Okay, yeah, the lights works. You can turn on the lights probably by long pressing the power button or something like that. Yeah, so okay, so the rest of the things in the box is a manual and this thing. I don't know what it is, but it is what it is. Getting back to this, I've still not been able to figure out how long it will take for you to charge this. I'm guessing maybe 12 hours or 10 hours or something. I don't know. But then there is this thing that you can pull out too. I also don't know what it is. I will try and find out what it is, so probably I can put it on the screen here, or maybe I will just put it in the description. So you should just check the description to see what you can do with it. Either way, thanks for watching this video. Tell me in your comment section below, do you carry a power bank or do you use a power bank? If you do, what power bank do you use? And would you consider buying this, or would you consider recommending it to someone? Because 30,000 mAh, you can charge your phone for like years. And also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up or give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and then share it to your friends who would enjoy content like this, and tell us what videos you would want us to make in the comment section below. And that's been it. Until next time, stay safe.